Hello everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, we'll be looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty post market analysis. We'll see what happened with the market today, how it is reacted to the different levels, and also we'll be looking at different levels for tomorrow's market also. Okay, so let's have a look at this. First, what I will do, I'll open Nifty chart. I'll open Nifty chart. Here, what I will do right now. So first today, let's see what happened today. Today we have a bullish day. I can say that. Yesterday I told you there is a possible reversal may be coming. That's what I said. If you look at in a 1 hourly chart, Nifty, it is reacted. Look at this is how it is reacted. Okay, it's completely reacted like this. And if I go into the 1 day chart, okay, if I go into the 1 day chart, so you can look at the levels. For example, this is the level, this is the level, this is the level, this is the level. And at this level, multiple supports have been created earlier. So exactly at the same level, Nifty's taken a support yesterday, and today we saw the reversal sign that it has a follow up. It's having a follow up right now. So probably it may in a coming days, probably or tomorrow or something, this gap might be get filled, and this gap also there is a probability of this gap is filling. Probably it can create like that again, try to come back down, so then go like this, probably like this, the probability expected. We will see how it is going to react in a coming days. And if I open Nifty Bank chart, if I open Nifty Bank, for example, here, if I put it, so this is the first support, second support, third support. This is the third support. And look at how it is reacted. For example, from this support 1, support 2, support 3. So from these levels, look at how it is, reacted. Okay. And 1 hour chart, if I go to the 1 hour chart, look at Nifty Bank. I told you that this is going to be a bottom of Bank Nifty. So exactly that is what happening right now. It has went upside today and went sideways. In the coming days, probably a Nifty Bank try to touch this level, and also it may touch this level also in the coming days. Tomorrow probably we may see some upside momentum to this level. So let's see how it's gonna create for tomorrow's market. Okay. And also, if you look at some stocks, for example, Mesdoc, these stocks are looking very strong for in the coming days. This, I already made a videos about this previously when the market was falling, when these stocks were not falling that time. Okay, so now these stocks are setting up for the upside momentum. Okay, so now one more stock we can check is that KRN, I think. Okay, so KRN also looks good, but one thing we need to keep eye on, above this level only 1008, above that level it looks good. Even the market was fallen, it is not fallen this stock. It looks relatively strong stock probably. So yeah, these are all the few stocks and the Nifty Bank Nifty update. Market is having, will be having some rally for a couple of days. So then after that we may see some correction again after that. Okay, so yeah, this is for tomorrow's video. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please let me know your thoughts in the comment section.